नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss Sudden Infant Death Syndrome, also known as SIDS, or cot death in UK, or crib death in US. This is one of the common type of child abuse. In SIDS, there is sudden and unexpected death of seemingly healthy infant whose death remain unexplained even after complete autopsy. So SIDS is sudden and unexpected death of a child or an infant. And this infant was previously healthy, not having any disease, and his death remained unexplained. That is, the causes cannot be explained, how the death was occurred, yeah, or what were the causes of death even after complete autopsy. So it is an autopsy diagnosis but not a clinical diagnosis. What are the features? So the incidence rate of SIDS is 0.2 to 0.4% of all live births. Its geographical distribution is worldwide. It is present in every country. The age which is affected is between 2 weeks to 2 years, and mid infancy, that is most vulnerable age for this syndrome, and its peak is at 2 to 4 months. Male infants have a proportionately higher death rate than compared to females, and its ratio in male to female is 3 to 2. Considering the socio-economic status, it is common in low and middle class families where there is financial crisis, they have poor housing conditions, family is very large, and there is lack of health consciousness. They are not aware about the health related issues, and they do not pay concern towards health issues, and the family is very large, and they don't have financial economical support. Time of death. In most cases, the infant is discovered dead either in the early morning or sometime after first feed in the morning. So usually the infant die in the late night or sometime after first feed in the morning. So what is the effect of season? In most occasions, death are seen to occur commonly in rainy and winter seasons in temperate zone, but there is no clear pattern in tropical zones. It is more common in twins as opposed to single children. Uh, Smoking and drug abuse by pregnant women increases the risk of SIDS. So if there is any addiction of smoking, alcohol, or any other drug in the woman who is pregnant, then there is increased risk of sudden infant death syndrome. There is no definitive cause known, but some causes may be prolonged sleep, respiratory infection, or nasal edema and mucus secretion that narrow down the upper respiratory passage, causing difficulty in breathing, or local hypersensitivity of the respiratory tract lumen to cow milk. that results into laryngeal spasm causing asphyxia, or bedclothes and pillow falling accidentally over the nose and mouth by the movement of the child. During the sleep, when the child moves, either the bedclothes or the pillow falls accidentally on the nose, over the nose and mouth of the infant, and he is unable to breathe, he is unable to respire, and he dies. Overlying of the baby by a sleeping or intoxicated mother. In some cases, if the mother is sleeping or if she is intoxicated, she had a drug or alcohol or any other uh, intoxicating substance, and he fall over the child. He lie over the child, and the child is not able to breathe properly, and it causes asphyxia, causing the death of infant. Some other causes are conductive system anomalies, hypoparathyroidism, deficiency of selenium, antibodies, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin deficiencies, house mite allergy, sodium overload in feeds, and hypothermia. So, usually postmortem findings are negative for any criminal activity. Trachea contains milky vomit, sometimes blood stain with shade of epithelial cells, shaded epithelial cells. Multiple facial hemorrhages on heart, lungs, and thymus may be seen. Pulmonary edema is common in such cases. Milk or blood-stained cloth on child's mouth or bedding can be seen, and hands are often cleansed around fibers of bedclothes. So, what is its medico-legal importance? In in case of SIDS, the death is considered as natural death in which the parents may be wrongfully linked and they may be punished for their criminal involvement or negligence. Some infanticide cases may be presented as caught death cases. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.